everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a challenge video. I believe this challenge was started by Nikki from Nikki Tutorials. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this challenge is called Google Picks My Makeup Challenge. Let me just give you a brief about this challenge. In this challenge, you have to take the initials of your name, that is the first letter of your first name and first letter of your last name, and type the word look after it. You have to refer to the first image that comes in Google Images after you type this. So basically, I have to type MP look, and this is the image that comes up for me. So after seeing this image, I see some natural themes going on, that is green and brown, but there are also some hints of other colors like blue, red and white, which I'm pretty stressed about because there are some vague colors to go with brown and green. So wish me luck. Also, just let me address this thing really quickly that I'm going to use 2-3 different palettes for this look, as I don't have all of those colors in one palette, so please excuse me for that. And all the products that I'm mentioning in this video are going to be linked down below in the description box, so please refer to that. Let's dive into the video already. Off with prepping your skin properly, then I'm going to take my Violet Voss Holy Grail eyeshadow palette and take the color Wine and Dine from it and apply it right into my crease with my MAC 217 brush. This is going to suffice for the red color in the picture. And taking the color Teddy Bear and Brownie Points from the same palette, I'm going to put it on my eyelids with my Real Techniques brush. And this is going to suffice for the brown color in the picture. I'm going to keep applying until it builds up and turns into a good brown color. Then taking my Glitter Eyes eyeshadow palette and taking the green glitter from it, I'm going to apply the glitter right on the center of my eyelid with my fingers. Taking the color Brownie Points again, I'm going to apply it around the green glitter with my Real Techniques brush. This green glitter is going to suffice for the green color in the picture. I'm cleaning all the glitter and eyeshadow fallout from underneath my eyes from all the previous work that I've done. You seriously know what your life is when you can't even open an eyeliner. I'm using my NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in the shade Vivid Sapphire to cope up with the color blue in the picture. In the next few seconds, you will see me contemplating on my life decisions. Then I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer in the shade Y41 and apply it underneath my eyes, on my chin, forehead and wherever I feel like I have discoloration on my face. And now I'm blending it all out with my PAC sponge. Then I'm taking the Wine and Dine eyeshadow again and putting it on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take the Teddy Bear eyeshadow and apply it as close to my lower lash line as possible. I'm going to take my MAC Eye Kohl in the shade Fascinating and put it on my lower lash line to fulfill the need of white color. The mascara that I'm going to use today is by Benefit. It's the Roller Lash Mascara. I popped on some lashes, and these are the Huda Beauty lashes in Samantha. Next, I'm going to contour my face using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast and blend it all out using my PAC sponge. I'm cleaning my contour using the Makeup Forever concealer that I had used before, and again blending it all out with a PAC sponge. For blush, I'm going to take my Clinique blush in the shade Innocent Peach and apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how beautiful this blush is? It's not too heavy, it's just about natural. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. highlighter along with a fan brush and I'm going to apply it on. Look at that glow. Okay, coming back to the video, I'm gonna apply this on all the high points of my face, cheeks, cupid's bow, chin, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, and all the high points that you can ever find on your face. Now since the eye makeup is so dramatic, I decided to go with a nude lip. I'm using the PAC Retro Matte Gloss in the shade 40. So I'm officially done with the look and this is the final outcome. So yeah, this is the look that I've come up with. Please let me know if you like it. And so this is the look that I've come up with. I know it's very dramatic, but the picture forced me to do it. This is completely out of my league. I am not this sort of a person. I like more neutral and warm sort of colors, and this is totally out of my league. So I hope I fared the challenge and you guys liked it. If you did, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because you know it means a lot to me. And also your comments and suggestions are always welcome as usual. So see you soon. Bye.